Today I will be making a Lego undercover police car. First you will need an axle plate. Then you will need to attach two wheel plates. After that you will need to put on the front plate and then attach two clear lights. After that, put on two hoof caps for the wheels. Then you will put on the pieces for the doors. You will need a piece for the doors and two pieces like these. Then you will attach it to here. You will need two of those. Then you will put on another set of two hoof caps like this. After that, you will connect these two parts together and attach it under here. After that, you need to attach two of these this way so that your wheels do not get scratched. Then after that, you need a blue light piece right here. After that, put one of these 4x4s. Then put another back plate. Then you have your car body. After that, you need to put the hood of the car on. After that, you need to put on the push bar. Then attach two side pieces for the light holders. Then add your window in the back. Put two of these. Then add a plate. Then add one of these back here for the window. After that, attach two lights. One red and blue, then one that's red. After that, in the back, put one of these up in the back. Then put one of these curved plates in the back. After that, put on the hood like this. Then you will need to put on two lights, one red and one yellow. Then on the back, add two blue lights. Like this. And then we'll need to add one antenna. In a circle. Then add this on the back. And that's how you make a unmarked police car made out of Lego. And these are how the lights look.